Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying you are at the right Google account and that the original device is nearby. Once done, unlock that device and connect to the internet. This allows Passkey sync or validation. Make sure Bluetooth or NFC is enabled if you used a physical security key. If the original device is unavailable, prepare your recovery options now: recovery email, phone, or previously saved backup codes, because these are your fallbacks to regain access securely and quickly. Next, select the Passkey or security key option on the Google sign-in page and follow the prompts. On your registered device, confirm the sign-in and provide the biometric or device PIN when requested. This proves you control that device. If you used a physical key, insert or tap it and complete the pairing steps. If the Passkey sync or verification fails, try a different registered device or pause and move to the account recovery flow to use backup methods. Finally, once you regain access, immediately review security settings. Remove any lost passkeys and register new ones on devices you control. Use recovery email, phone verification, or saved backup codes to complete sign-in if Passkey options fail. Make sure to update device software and back up new passkeys while they sync. If you still cannot sign in, clear browser cache, try a different browser or device, and then contact Google support for account-specific help.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.